Alright YouTube, Andrew here. This is going to be the maiden video of the channel. The channel's aim will be to provide tips for homeowners to take the stress and the mystery out of these fence repairs. And also, to a equal degree, the idea will be to provide young people looking to start their own business, particularly in contracting, construction, things like that, with some tips, and maybe perhaps I can shed some light on some of the hurdles that I ran into early on that they can avoid. So, I mean, if you want to stick with me as I create this channel, we will watch the cringe meter of this video, of these videos and their quality. We will watch that slowly drop to about 4. I don't expect I'm going to be able to get any less than 4 on the cringe meter. Some of the jokes I tell, my video ideas, I'm just going to roll the dice. So today, as you can see, I've got a garage here that is in absolute shambles. I recently finished up a project. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera on the tripod, turn on time-lapse mode, and do a little cleaning here. Alright y'all, we've been out here grinding, and don't mind telling you, progress has without a doubt been made on this garage. I mean, it's not the Mona Lisa. I mean, there's work to be done yet, but I mean, damn, that ain't bad actually. So, I think next, I'm going to set the camera here, tidy up a few things, and then I'll probably move y'all over here and sort through some of the bullshit in my tool crib here. Just try and clean it up. The bull stuff, excuse me. The bull-ish, if you will. But first step, I'm about to turn you back on time lapse, and I'm going to straighten up a few more things just in the broader picture. So. Alright y'all, as stated previously, just doing a little time-lapse cleaning. If you've made it this far into the video, throw me a like and even a sub if it provided any value. If I made you laugh, if I made you smile. If you thought it was visually appealing to see me race around here like a little worker ant and tidy shit up. Stuff. I don't have a ton left of the video. I mean, really, I paused at this point simply to ask you to throw me a like and subscribe, which this channel has one video, this included, this being the pilot video. So I'm basically asking you to like and subscribe on the promise that future videos will suck incrementally less than this one did. I got big jobs coming up. I'm going to get into showing y'all how to, remove broken wood fence posts, how to properly set fence posts so that they're not only plumb with each other, but they're in line with each other. Put up the rails on a wood fence, pickets. I'll be sharing tips and tricks along the way that I've learned after 4 or 5 hard years of paying construction tuition. I mean, there's an old saying that goes something like, experience doesn't cost anything, but it's the most expensive thing to get. In that once you got it, you look back on the money you left on the table because you didn't have that experience. So again, engage with the channel, leave me a comment. Even hateful comments or engagement, if you think I'm a shitty loser, channel's going nowhere and you hope I die, let me know in the comments, for real. But yeah, throw me a like and subscribe. Stick with me on this journey. Like I say, I got maybe another 10 minutes real time. I don't know what that breaks down to in time-lapse time, but I'm gonna do a little bit on the outside of the tool crib here. Then I'll bring you around to this angle and clean out the inside of the tool crib here. It's just some shelves I built to keep all the junk that used to just sit on the floor. So, I mean, more than anything else, I appreciate you all watching to this point. You know what I mean? Without any big fence jobs going on, I don't have a ton to offer the viewers. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get on there I'm gonna take the first step on YouTube. I'm gonna introduce myself. I'm gonna do a visually satisfying time-lapse cleaning of the garage, which still looks like a bomb went off, but it looks like a slightly smaller bomb went off. Like instead of a nuke went off in here, had like a Moab go off in here. So on to the next. Here we go. I will not be addressing the camera after this, so I mean, just enjoy this last little bit, and I hope you like my video. Leaf blower created a cyclonic draft and the tripod fell over, and I tried to catch it, and the leaf blower backfired, hit me in the damn eye socket. The dang eye socket. But it's just a flesh wound. We're still in this. Alright, y'all. I know I said cleaning out the tool crib was going to be the outro, but leaf blower hit me in the eye kind of changed things around. So, again, I didn't have much material for a video. I just wanted to start. Just make episode 1 pilot. That's this. So, I mean, look what we've accomplished here. We're a long ways from it being perfectly clean, but we're that same long ways away from, you know, where it was at the start of this video. I mean, that's not a bad place to, sit and chill, watch a little YouTube, learn up, you know, good enough. Like I said, this was not supposed to be in the video, so if you've made it this far, I appreciate it. Again, I would just ask for a like and a sub, you know. This channel's in its early days. It's something I'm going to really apply myself to. Might suck, might not work out for a guy. But I mean, think about it. Years down the road, after years of doing this, this channel might have 5, 10 subscribers, you know. And if you want to be one of those OGs, now's the time. If you want to buy low, as they say, now's the time. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. You know what I mean? Like the video. Yeah, that's all I got for you. I appreciate y'all's time. I appreciate y'all watching. This is the first of many to come, and the focus of this channel will not be time lapses of a guy smoking cigars cleaning his garage. The focus of this channel, again, will be me out on jobs with my helper, jobs that we're going to do anyway. So I figure, living in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I'm only exposed to the customers that live around here as far as making a profit goes. But there's customers all over the country and even the world that could take value from what I do and what I know and what I've learned over time. And if down the road I'm able to monetize the channel, you know, YouTube kicks me a few bucks, you know, that's a win-win. But the point is to walk y'all through step by step the steps involved in the repairing of a wood fence, the rebuilding of a wood fence. And as the channel goes, I'll get my skills down, you know, looking at the lens obviously is a problem. Editing the videos, I'm sure the final production quality on this will be absolutely heinous, but you'll have to bear with me. Again, I'm asking for a little bit of faith from you. You know, believe in me, and I'll continue to provide content that's at least worth your time. So thanks, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video.